So, for the number 4, we have a f of x equals to x cubed plus 1 at ax equals to 1. So, let's substitute the pure formula. 1 plus h cubed plus 1 minus times 2, 1 cubed plus 1. So, let's multiply this. 3, let's using for method. Okay. 1 times cube is equals to 1, and pag-add lang natin at i-multiply natin siya with 3h, and squared natin siya, tapos multiply natin, meron tayong 3h squared. Then, after that, mag-cancel na tayo, which is, cancel natin si 1, tapos yung dito, ito negative to, ito na positive. Then, after natin mag-cancellation, after natin mag-cancel, ibaba na natin yung mga natira, which is 3h plus 3h squared plus h cubed and over h. And then after that, magka-cancel pa rin tayo kasi meron pa tayong bigger number. So, cancel natin yung h. Lipat natin si h dito. So, bali magiging h times 3 plus 3h plus h squared. Then over h. So let's cancel the h, and we have 3 plus 3h plus h squared. So let's substitute the value of h, which is 0. Then 3 plus 3 times 0 plus 0 squared is equals to 3.
Okay, correct.